My dryer stopped working properly, so I ordered this new heating element and we are going to install it. I'm going to show you kind of a play-by-play of putting in all the different pieces. You can see everything that was included over here on the left, and then of course the heating element. You can see the old one, it looks awful. It was not working properly. So we are going to replace each of these pieces, and you can see we popped the old one out of here and we were putting this new piece in. And you kind of just want to be patient while you're doing this and make sure you get everything to fit correctly. So we've already taken out that piece and we are putting the new one in like so. And we're going to put the screw back in so it stays in place. Now we are behind the dryer. We're taking out that little metal piece here. We've unscrewed the screw. Now we're getting the new one out of the package and they look exactly the same, so that's fantastic. And then we're going to put that one on the back side of the dryer, like so. We're screwing that into place. And then we are connecting the wires back up here. And I feel like these heating elements will go out quite frequently, but they are a lot less expensive to purchase one of these rather than purchasing a whole new dryer. So you can get a lot longer life out of your dryer just by replacing the heating element and these other parts that have come with it. So we're disconnecting this old piece right here in the back and getting the new piece that looks exactly like the old one. So it'll fit perfectly in there. We are putting it in. And hopefully this little demonstration helps you in case you aren't sure how to get one of these out or exactly where they would be on your dryer. And now we are reconnecting those wires again, so everything will work properly. And all of the pieces that came with this fit my dryer perfectly, which is really great. And after we installed everything, we tested the dryer and it was working great again. So that is fantastic. Hopefully I can get some more years out of the dryer. And you can see we are connecting these wires again, sliding that right on. A really nice heating element. I'm glad everything fit right into place. I would definitely recommend.